it needs a lot of practice and patience to learn your art. If you notice, my works are divided. I call it three linear divisions.
Gallery Cebu, located in
Ato Aminta.
And here we are with
Celso Pipito.
Sir. So we are gonna conduct a few questions about the art itself. About this, can you tell us a little about yourself and your background?
Okay. So I'm Celso Pipito. I graduated in UP in 1981. So I finished fine arts. So since 1981 until now, so I'm still painting. It's more than 50 years already.
So when did you know nga art journey mo sila? How does it?
Yeah, actually, taking up fine art is something a little bit accidental for me because I'm not really into art, but when I graduated in my high school, I was the one who was tasked to make the decorations of our graduation stage. No? So I'm good at littering. So yes, my high school advisor, it was her who really encouraged me to come here and enroll fine arts. No? I'm surprised that when I entered my first class in UP, I saw some of my classmates bringing with them their some for works ba sila. So I'm surprised. Oh, I thought fine art is about littering, drawing the ini. No, so when I entered fine art, I was really zero talent. So I give ko yung knowledge about painting, about drawing.
So basically it takes time.
Yeah. No, that's why lately there are people who tell me they want to learn about art but they don't have talent. So I always tell them, I entered UP without the talent, but because I want to learn, so I have to work hard to learn. No? So it's a matter of trying your best para ma-improve. Naiusa ka successful artist, no? He was asked, how did you succeed as an artist? To succeed in art, it's very simple. Go to college, finish your fine arts, and practice for 30 years. It needs a lot of practice and patience to learn your art.
Unsa man yung art? What is the medium of your art?
Yeah, actually, when I was in UP, I was really into oil painting. And then, since my teacher during the time was Martino Abellana, being an artist, you have to have your own identity as an artist. You want to make your own mark in the art world, so I shifted to that kind. That's my style.
Okay.
That's katong na guitar. Yeah. This one, no, that's my work. Yeah, so
This one and this one.
yeah, Cubism. So not really into the style of Picasso, but it's a different kind of Cubism. I always believe that my talent is coming from him, so I have to acknowledge him, no? So that's why the reason of my putting the triple visions is about my belief in God. No? So the triple represents my faith with the Father and the Son, and the Spirit, trying to propagate dito ang idea of strong family. Because I have this belief na if you want to make the country strong, it always starts with a strong family. Each of us has a duty to help improve our society. So, morning I'm using my art to propagate this kind of ideas. I always try to make my art kana dito makamotivate sa mong tanaw. Tanaw mo na yung ano i-explain ako, you will always try to understand. Later on maybe iguli ninyo magkuna-una mo ito. No sakto to yung desire na. Ang art is a kind of visual communication. So ang question, unsay klase sa communication or unsay klase sa idea nga imong i-share sa public. So I was asking sa unsa ba akong gusto i-contribute. So ikaw na ko, pamilya na ko kay siya role sa country, sa ating society. Then,
What is your ultimate goal? So,
ang akong ultimate goal yun ka na maka-inspire ko sa akong viewer. Kaya ako gusto ko mahimong instrument sa uban nga maka-realize sila na sila ikatulog.
so what are some tips as mga people that
So para sa katong gustong mahimong artist, ang akong kanang message sa ila kanang if you really want to express yourself, ang importante is you have to ask yourself what kind of message that you want to share. Kay Diyan man magsugod nga, mo create ko ani kay gusto na ko ning i-share ani idea. No? So kada usa namong artist na may aspiration nga gusto na mong isod sa among painting para kung ang public makakita, makahibaw sila nga muna klase sa ideas nga gusto na mong ipasabot sa ila. So kung paglitan eh gusto mo. Pero ang challenge man gud sa artist number one, before you can express yourself properly, you have to learn the basic of painting. Kay kung nana kay idea diri nga gusto nimo i-share, kunya ma-express nimo through sa imong skills, mas effective ang imong communication. So very fulfilling para nako ang being a painter kung maka-create ko art nga maka encourage sa community like kanan